The board and the staff has been providing regular information and updates regarding the plan for improvements for Route 30 corridor at our public meetings for over a year now. We're in a home stretch as we're expecting an announcement on our pending $23 million federal grant application to help fund this project. As soon as this Friday, but with an outside date that is supposed to be no later than June 28th. To date, we've received $3.5 million of state-funded grant money to help with this project. We continue to appreciate the support that we've had from our legislative and state agency that exist out there, and that would include U.S. Senator Bob Casey, U.S. Senator John Fetterman, Senator Katie Muth, who has just made an appearance, Carol Cometa, John Kane, Representative Christine Howard, and a special shout out for some things that have gone on this week at the last minute, trying to make some important phone calls from U.S. Representative Chrissy Houlihan and our Chester County Commissioner Josh Maxwell. So we thought it would be a good idea to take a step back and remind the community of why we're doing this. As many of our residents are likely aware, the township has been actively seeking solutions to address a number of the issues that exist along the corridor. These issues include high levels of traffic creating heavy congestion, air pollution, a significant number of documented rear-end collisions, lack of medians, and limited turning lanes, and an inconsistent network of sidewalks, no bike lanes, and in general, just looking at planned improvements for the corridor, which would be consistent to a 5-lane cross-section with 2 travel lanes in both directions, as most of Route 30 is. We would be looking to add pedestrian and bike facilities and implement access management and other safety issues. Our initial efforts have been focused on the stretch of Lancaster between Plainbrook and Church Road. Some of the benefits that are realized with implementation of this plan would be safety. We would see a 68% reduction in total annual crashes. Our crashes in this corridor are well above the average median in Chester County at this point in time, as I'm sure Chief Yeager can attest to. And we would also improve safety from an improved emergency response time due to the congestion. We would improve pedestrian mobility and connectivity with 1.8 miles of sidewalk being added and designated bike lanes, as I had mentioned. Accessible bus stops. Our poor residents at this point in time stand on the road and the bus stop is a telephone pole. We would also include economic competitiveness and the quality of life along that corridor, and increase and improve access for employment along Route 30. We would see a significant reduction in travel time and delays during peak hours. From an environmental standpoint, there'd be a significant reduction in idling time, resulting in less air pollution. So we are keeping our fingers crossed. And John, as far as getting results on the RAISE grant to help with the funding, any other thoughts points that I missed? John has been one of our key team members on this project for the last year and a half.
Really nothing new to report, although we're getting more information to the folks that are helping, hopefully getting a hold of Secretary Buttigieg. We expect the announcement to come this week, but consistent with what happened last year. Nothing new to report.
Okay.